Page 156. Focus on content. Science. Animal senses.
Why are senses important? Animals use their senses to survive in nature. Animals' abilities to see, hear, smell, taste, and touch help them find food. Animals also use their senses to avoid or stay away from their enemies. Animals adapt to their specific environments or surroundings. As a result, most animals have one or two senses that are more important than the others. These senses help animals survive. How do elephants use their senses of smell and touch? Elephants have small eyes, and they cannot see well. They use their senses of smell and touch to find food, water, and other animals. Elephants breathe and smell with their trunks. They use their trunks to smell the air and the ground. Sometimes they can smell other animals or water from miles away. Elephants also touch each other with their trunks to communicate. Friendly elephants touch trunks as a greeting. Mother elephants touch new baby elephants with their trunks to welcome them. When a baby elephant is afraid, the mother strokes it with her trunk. Sometimes a baby elephant holds its mother's tail with its trunk. That makes the baby feel safe. How do elephants feel with their feet? Scientists think that elephants' feet can feel vibrations in the ground. For example, when thunder makes the ground shake far away, elephants feel the direction of the thunder with their feet. Then the elephants know where to find rainwater. How do elephants use their sense of hearing? Elephants use their sense of hearing to avoid danger. Elephants can hear low sounds that human ears can't. They can also make special low sounds with their trunks to communicate with other elephants far away. For example, elephants make sounds to tell other elephants about dangerous animals, such as lions. Baby elephants make special sounds when they are afraid. When a mother elephant hears the sounds, she goes to help her baby. What is special about an owl's eyes? Owls have excellent vision. At night, they fly and look for prey, small animals to eat, such as mice, rabbits, frogs, and birds. When owls see an animal move, they fly down and catch it. Owls are predators. They catch and eat other animals. Their large eyes are specially adapted for hunting at night. Most birds have eyes on the sides of their head. These birds see well on the sides, but they do not see well in front of themselves. Owls are different. They have eyes in the front of their head, which makes them good hunters. Their eyes are good at following and catching prey. Why do honeybees dance? Honeybees live together in large groups in hives. Honeybees travel to different flowers to get food and nectar. They use the nectar to make honey inside the hive. Honeybees cannot hear very well, and it is dark inside the hive. As a result, they touch each other and use their senses of touch and smell to communicate. A scientist named Karl von Frisch studied honeybees. He saw that honeybees move back and forth in a kind of dance when they return to the hive. They dance in different ways to tell other honeybees where to find food. Frisch saw that honeybees dance in a circle to show that food is near. They dance in a figure 8 and wiggle to show that food is far away. The other honeybees in the hive use their senses of smell and touch to learn the location of the food from the dancing bees.